All right, when it's time to leave the beach, it's always nice to have a little extra help. But if you're by yourself or the rest of your family is occupied dealing with children, this is how I would recommend leaving the beach as safely as possible. First, I want to determine which direction the wind and the current is going to push the boat. And today it's pushing it south. So I'm aware of that. I don't have any hazards to my south. I also want to make sure there's not going to be any people in the water around the engine when I'm ready to start it. So I'll go ahead and pull up the stern anchor here. This boat is going to start to swing after I pull this stern anchor up. So you need to move kind of quickly after this point. I want to pull my stern ladder up, which you could do later, but I always recommend getting it out of the water. So if you have to back up, it won't get caught and bent at the beach. Okay, now we'll go up front, get ready to start the engine. Put our engine down just enough where we have it in the water. And remember, we've got to untie our anchor line from the bow so that we can retrieve the anchor with the windlass. Another important thing, this windlass is made to pull the anchor up. It is not made to pull the full weight of the boat. So we'll need to help get the boat to the anchor. So you notice I'm in gear, I'm kind of heading toward it. Again, this is a great place to have a second set of eyes that can tell you where the anchor line is if you're over top of it, or if you need to come forward some more. We're going to estimate today. If you're not sure, you can slow down, keep pulling the windlass in, and when you see it go tight, then you know you need to move forward a little more. If you hear the windlass get in a bind, you can tell that it's pulling the weight of the boat also. I can hear it tightening up, so I'm coming ahead on the throttle a little bit more. All right, I see the chain. And now I'm going to be cautious of when the anchor comes over the bow. We want to make sure it's positioned correctly. And here's the anchor. Yes, it is positioned correctly. Now I'll tighten it on up. And the only thing left to do is attach the safety chain. That is secured. I'm going to go put my stern anchor away so I don't lose it off the back of the boat. And we're ready to go back to the dock.